So listen, some days are an actual struggle. Like some days are hard to get going. It is not always easy to follow your passions and put these videos out. However, KZ was nice enough to send out their new earbuds, the VXSs. Now these are high fidelity earbuds, and so I was anxious to try these, but in trying to figure out what should I make a video about around earbuds, I couldn't come up with anything, and so what I normally do with earbuds is get going. So let's do the unboxing and then let's try these out. Okay, I'm going to show you how to pair this while I tell you a little bit about the headset. And so, for starters, it's Bluetooth 5.2 and it's QCC 3040 Qualcomm chipset inside of it. It's about 5 hours of battery life, and the battery capacity is 35 milliamps, while the case capacity is 400 milliamps, and it can recharge the earphones about 4 times. It's a Type-C, and it has a transmission distance of about 15 meters. Now from there, it's Apt-X Lossless Decoding sound quality. Basically means it comes with CD level auto decoding, supports 16-bit and 24-bit audio. The 10mm drivers provide the bass and mids as well as good clear sound. It also has a dual mode, whereas if you tap it on the left ear 3 times, it will give you the full power of the headset. If you tap it on the right ear 3 times, it's going to give you the gaming mode that will give you less lag between what you see on the screen and what you hear in your headset. There's also CVC call noise reduction, which boasts a 90% reduction in background noise when using these to make phone calls. Okay, so before we get too far gone, let's talk about using these headphones. They sound amazing, flat out amazing. They sound to the point where it makes you want to get up and get active. Now, I typically will wear earbuds when I'm doing stuff in the yard, when I'm going to the gym, when I'm, playing basketball or whatever the case may be. These are the type of headphones that I wear, are the earbuds, so that they can sit in my ear and bounce around without me worrying about something falling off my head. And I wore these all day, and whether it was music or my audibles, they sound phenomenal. And this is hi-fi style audio, and so you're getting instrumentation, clear instrumentation. You're getting highs and mids and lows with individual signatures, and you don't have to worry about all those things running together like you would with a cheap pair of headphones. These are actually taking the place going forward of my Beats Pro, like my long-standing just grab every time have been my Beats Pro. And getting into some of the technical specs, these have hybrid driver setup with a 1DD plus 4BA, or 1 dynamic driver and 4 balanced armature driver setup. So the balanced armature drivers that allow significant power efficiency in small builds. So even though they're small, they provide great sound isolation with really good treble response. Now, the dual magnetic dynamic driver in each earbud gives the ability for a wider range of frequencies, whereas the balanced armature gives you isolated sound and great treble. The dynamic driver allows for more vibration that lead to a better bass response. Sometimes not the cleanest, but with the combination of the dynamic and the balanced armature, this would theoretically produce the best possible sound. Now, the earlier mentioned Apt-X lossless decoding basically gives you stable CD level audio without compromise to things that would interfere, like other signals, etc. Now, this supports up to 16-bit and 24-bit and a sample rate up to studio quality 48 gigahertz. Now, lastly, each earbud has their own chip, both operating as their own host bud, so they can basically switch between just 1 to 2 with no loss in quality or pause in audio transmission. The dual mode allows for a focus on audio by tapping the right earbud 3 times, unlocks its full power mode basically. Now, this gives you the best possible audio, giving you all the benefits listed earlier when talking about the different magnetic driver, etc., etc. Tapping on the left earbud 3 times unlocks the gaming mode. Now, this gaming mode focuses on audio sync with video from the game, providing 40 milliseconds without delay, and also allows for surround sound effects, giving you an immersive gaming experience. Now, in gaming with this, using the Backbone and the iOS, it offered a really great experience. I have not tried connecting this to any like my PC or consoles or anything like that. I've just used it mostly for mobile gaming at this point, and so far the audio syncs well with the video, and what you're seeing, there's no delay there, and it does provide a really great experience. Now, typically I'm going to be playing RPG type games while gaming on mobile, and not really doing the harder type games, but so far so good. It sounds really good and it aligns really well. Obviously, for full-on gaming experience, you need gaming headset, a high-quality gaming headset, but these will do really, really well if you're just casually gaming and not trying to play Call of Duty mobile, which is weird anyway. But okay, so now we're doing a voice recording of what you can expect from the KZ VXS while making phone calls. Now, I have a fan blowing on me, I got my computer going over there, and so this should be a pretty good representation of how well it can block out the noise in the background in a standard room, right? There's nobody sitting around me yelling or anything like that, but this is what you can expect for phone calls. And again, this is through the voice memo on iOS. So there you go, sound test. Okay, so that has been the KZ VXS Hi-Fi earbud. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. These are a great headset. I've been using these day in and day out. These are my new daily drivers, replacing my Beats Pro. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And no, I don't take it easy on my boys. They're actually AAU basketball players, and you can follow them at cozy_baskets on Instagram. But until next time, stay cozy in that crazy world. Peace.